Welcome to my funky facts about birds. I am doing your niece, and it's exciting because there's a mummy blue-tipped bird in our nest box. She's made a nest and there are 7 eggs. We are very excited and we are doing some science about birds for the BTO Nest Box Challenge. Daddy and Grumpy made the bird box out of old floorboards. This is the nest from last year. This is an old camera and it's very old. A long time ago, it used to be used for nest boxes. We have another one just like this in our nest box. And there is a wire all the way from our nest box to our TV so that we can see inside the nest box whenever we like. Our bird box is 3 meters up the tree and it faces north, and that which is just what blue ticks like. North, according to my compass, is that way. In London, 4 people have eggs with nests in, the blue ones. 7 have activity at nest box, but no eggs. The pink ones. I tell the BTO what's going on in our nest box. So do 1,500 other people. So the BTO knows how well blue ticks do. Hopefully we'll have baby chicks very soon, I think. The end. Thank you for watching Eleanor's news programme, and it's lovely for you to watch it. Thank you very much. The end.